Oh, hey, dude.
Oh, hey, dude.
Hey. Welcome. We have a nice little village.
Yo, don't show our address, dude. Blur that out. Okay, very important, dude.
A little small room. Kind of smells like nice in here, but it's okay.
Nice.
Nice little bed. Nice
Little beddage, dude. Nothing more that we need in Party
How
Island.
much a night?
$16 each a night.
Nice little shower.
Oh, a nice little young man in the mirror, dude. Shower. Nice little pissage with some fresh piss in it. So yeah, guys. Me and DVD and ACDC, we're gonna go and explore the Xbox 360.
We're gonna tell everyone that our names are DVD and
What's it called again? VHS, dude?
VHS.
We don't know that.
He's JJ and I'm John B.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
John B. Okay, cool. Let's see you at the beach. I'm really not that serious.
Boy, he's actually coming close, man.
Chill, bro.
No. Get away from my bike, bro.
Nice bike, bro. You say it.
Very good, very nice.
Take the compliment, man.
Hey, you guys like my bike?
Oh! Hey, is it on?
Oh, you should have. No way. Welcome to the fucking vlog, guys. Oh my god.
Well, welcome to the vlog. We took a couple days off. We were resting. I went to bed at 7 p.m. last night. And now we're starting the vlog. These monkeys are giving me some dirty looks, but yeah, might as well start with the vlog with some monkey, you know?
Okay, see you, monkeys. No.
My bike.
No. Get off my bike, bro. No, don't eat the seat.
That's cool. You actually just claimed your bike, dude.
Yeah, you can have the bike, bro, if you're paying the fine, man. Please don't attack me. Oh, I got nothing in there, man.
Dude, they just fucking snagged your bike. Dude, you want me to pretend it's...
Yeah, it's gonna be so expensive.
Can I have it, dude?
No.
Oh, dude, you can't swing at the monkey. Well, just record this for the guy, dude. Like, what are you supposed to do?
Hey,
Dude,
you can have the bike. It's your bike now.
So Burke's bike is gone.
I think this is the leader. He just walks up, grabs whoever he wants, and just starts going to town.
And I think Burke's bike is next, dude.
What are you getting out of eating that right now?
Maybe he likes the taste. Hey, Dude, he's gone. Go get your bike. Go. Dude, he's gonna friend.
Yeah. Sorry, bro. I gotta take the bike.
Get the out of here.
Take that, man. Throwing off my key. Go Bangna. So, we've had quite the time here in Koh Phangan on this island. I lost my bank card, so that means now we both don't have bank cards. Yeah, so we're running low on money, about $10 Canadian. But we're managing, you know, it's good. And then, you know, we got fined from our hostel because I bought everyone beer from 7-Eleven, 110 beer to be exact. And then we came here, and I made a joke. We were sitting there waiting for our ferry. And then we missed the boat. Like, we watched the boat leave in front of us. I don't know what was happening. And we've spent way too much money. The island's been fun, but it's not been good for us as a community. But now we're on a ferry to Bangkok. So we didn't film anything in Koh Phangan because honestly we didn't do anything. It was weather the whole time. The arena was super fun. Like, I had a lot of fun, met a lot of people, but the weather was like this. Like, I haven't seen the sun in like 3 days. So we're going to Bangkok, change up the scenery, get the vlogs going again, hit up some markets, have some fun.
Yeah, 18-hour drive, dude.
18-hour drive, yeah.
This should be like illegal. Boat. The boat.
So we were sitting over there, across, and I was making a joke, and I'm like, dude, wouldn't it be so funny if the boat just started leaving? And we didn't see anyone get on the boat, so literally like 3 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't know, some after I said that, the boat leaves. So funny. Then Joe started throwing a temper tantrum, and I was laughing because it's honestly like hangover 2. But now we're going to go back on the boat. Boat. Big boat. Ham and cheese. Ham and cheese. We see our flamingos.
Tell everyone where we're now currently located.
We're in
and how
Bangkok.
the journey was.
Oh, we'll talk about the journey after, but we're in Bangkok. Pizza Hut? What the heck? Hey guys.
How long are we gonna find a taxi?
Yeah, taxi! Just like that. We need a taxi. Alright, man, gotcha. Trunk. Toyota. Oh, we have some trunk.
I don't think.
First day in Bangkok. We just got here today, 5 a.m. We've been up ever since. Can't check in the hotel till 2, so now we're just walking around. Walked out of our hotel and like this little old guy came up to us and offered us an hour tour for 50 baht in this little tuk-tuk show. Yeah, we'll see you guys at our next location. So our second location is the canal. Goes out through most of Bangkok. Comes right from the ocean and then turns to like poo water.
Nice mysterious water, dude.
Wow, what a great spot.
It's the kind of place where you just see fish floating.
It's the
dead.
best tour I've ever had, I think. Okay, now we're off to the next location. So apparently our third destination was a suit shop. Literally just walking around in there like, what the f are we doing in here? Yeah, I don't even know what just happened there.
I got a decent amount on tape, so.
We gotta go get food, man. We asked for food and this is where we end up? Bull, dude! I just got a fire.
Where are you from? Canada. Canada. I Thailand. And you?
So this tour, he brings us to all of his friends' shops. So the first one, we went to a suit shop. I don't want no. No. No market. No fucking market.
Market?
Market, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no more shops, please,
No
man.
more shop. Okay. Food cannot?
Huh?
Food here.
Food here?
Yeah. So what street food?
Street food.
Food.
Street food, like market.
I need no food.
Oh, lame. You need a suit, man? You need some Louis Vuitton?
Okay, finish.
We need a boat, bro. Need a boat? So yeah, we've been to a suit shop, fake Louis Vuitton store, and now we're at a boat place. Huh?
Chinatown now?
Chinatown Mall?
Yeah.
Sure, yeah, yeah. As long as it's an actual mall, not a shop. It's a nice taxi, man. Nice taxi. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh, finally escaped, dude. It actually started off pretty good. I thought we were actually getting on a little hot streak. Then we just started visiting literally everyone's little shop around. So, and then he just dropped us off and charged us double than what we thought. And I was like, not surprised, but at least we didn't pay 2,000 baht to go on a boat around the canal. So, anyways, we're gonna walk around here. Hopefully find some food.
But you can't hear when you talk that way.
Huh?
You can't hear anything when you're looking the other way.
Yeah, just gonna walk around and see what it's like.